Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add items to cart on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to add an item to your cart on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening Temu app guys, on this interface, in order to add an item to your cart, first navigate to the item which you add to your cart. For example, I'll be just navigating or searching for a backpack, and let's search for it. And over here guys, you can see a lot of backpacks are over here. Now in order to add items to your cart, tap on the product and the product page will open like this. Now after the product page or the page of this product opens, you can see at the bottom of the screen here it says add to cart. Tap on the add to cart button at the bottom of the screen and that item will be added to your cart. Let's tap on the add to cart again. And on this interface we'll be required to select the color, and let's select the black one, and let's tap on the add to cart. And you can see guys that item has been added to cart. And let's do that for another item, and let's go back and let's navigate to the shoes, and let's open up this product page of this shoe. And you can see again there is the add to cart button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on add to cart at the bottom of the screen and choose the color which you want. And you can see, and you'll be required to choose your size as well. And after choosing your size, let's go back, and after choosing your size, tap on the add to cart button at the bottom of the screen, and that item will be added to your cart. So let's go back and let's tap on the cart at the bottom right corner of the screen. And you can see guys at the top of the screen the two items which we had added to cart are available for us over here. And that being said guys, this is how to add an item to cart on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.